Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to add your payment method on Payhip. First, open your browser and go to payhip.com, then log in with your email and password. Once you are logged in, click on Account at the top right of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Inside the account settings, you will find Payment Details, which is where you can manage how you get paid. In the Payment Details section, you will see options to connect PayPal and Stripe. Click on Connect next to PayPal and log into your PayPal account. This will link your account so that all payments go directly to PayPal. Then, click Connect next to Stripe. You can log in if you already have an account, or create a new one if you need to. Stripe allows you to accept payments from credit and debit cards, making it easier for customers to pay you. Depending on your region, you may also see additional payment options that you can connect in the same way. You can also select the currency you want to use for your sales in this section. Once your payment methods are connected, you are ready to start selling. Customers can purchase your products, and the money will be sent directly to your linked accounts. Thanks for watching.